Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to The Wealth. Planet Earth is chock full of amazing natural elements and materials. From platinum and gold to saffron and cocaine, there's no shortage of valuable and often illegal substances available to prospective buyers. Nevertheless, those in high demand tend to cost a pretty penny for people interested in acquiring them. While you might assume that the most expensive among them would be a precious jewel or diamond, that isn't necessarily the case. Today, we're taking a look at 10 of the most expensive substances on Earth. But before we start, I want you to hit that red subscribe button to enter our monthly shoutout giveaway. Just comment down below saying I subscribed and we'll enter you into the giveaway. Number 1. Antimatter. Cost per gram between 62.5 to 100 trillion. Antimatter is by far the most expensive material on Earth. Although only very small amounts have been ever produced, there is currently no way of storing it. It requires the highly sophisticated technology found at places like CERN to even dream of making it. Today, a gram of antimatter is sold for approximately $80 trillion. Number 2. Endohedral fullerenes. Cost per gram, $160 million. Endohedral fullerenes are normal fullerenes with extra atoms, ions, or clusters within inner spheres. The very first lanthanum complex was created in 1985. It is essentially a cage of carbon atoms with a nitrogen atom trapped inside. It could have applications for highly accurate atomic clocks. Currently, 2 varieties exist: endohedral metallofullerenes and non-metal doped fullerenes. Number 3. Californium. Cost per gram, $10 to $27 million. Scientists create californium by bombarding cerium with alpha particles. This reaction creates the radioactive chemical element with an atomic number of 98. There are currently 10 known isotopes known to exist. It can help treat certain forms of cancer, detecting gold and silver in ores, as well as residual oil within nearly depleted reservoirs. It can only be created by man on Earth, but it is speculated to be created in supernova. No wonder why it's worth so much money. Number 4. Diamonds. Cost per gram, $55,000 to $108,000. Natural diamonds have long been prized for their beauty and extreme hardness. They are in fact the hardest substance known on Earth, with a MOH's scale score of 10. These white stones are forged at the very depths of the Earth's crust and upper mantle, and as such have experienced intense temperatures and pressures. Their hardness gives them many industrial applications, but synthetic rather than natural diamonds are used. Man-made equivalents are also a lot cheaper to buy. Diamond jewelry is one of the most popular items among people. Number 5. Tritium. Cost per gram, about $37,500. Tritium is forged in the hearts of nuclear reactors by irradiating lithium metal or lithium-bearing ceramic pebbles. It is also known as one of the most expensive materials on Earth. It is a super heavy type of hydrogen. Tritium is also a key component used to fuel some nuclear weapons. It's generally used for glow-in-the-dark stuff like watch hands. Have no fear though, the beta rays it produces are very weak and can't penetrate the human skin. Tritium also has a very low health risk if ingested, though you should probably rethink your life if you're in the habit of eating it. Number 6. Tawhid stone. Cost per gram, $20,000. Tawhid is an incredibly rare gemstone that has only recently become desirable by collectors. It has color ranges from red to purple, and there are thought to be less than 10 red ones in existence. The main source for these gems is in Tanzania. Apparently, so rare is this gemstone that all of the discovered ones would fill half a cup. Number 7. Solaris. Cost per gram, $13,880. Solaris is believed to be the most expensive drug in the world. It is used to treat rare, life-threatening diseases, a typical hemolytical uremic syndrome or a HUS. This debilitating disease attacks red blood cells and is pretty nasty. Unbelievably, a year's treatment in the UK would cost around £340,000, which is about $450,000. A 300 milligram vial costs around £3,150, which gives us the £10,500 per gram quoted above, making it one of the most valuable things on Earth. Number 8. Grandidierite. Cost per gram, poorer quality is around $10,000. Next, grandidierite is a very rare is a very rare mineral and gemstone. If you are interested, it's a MgAl borosilicate, which can be found in metamorphic and plutonic rocks. It was first discovered in 1902 in the southern part of Madagascar by Frank explorer Alfred Grandidier. He found it while studying the natural history of Madagascar. Number 9. Painite. Cost per gram can be anywhere from $9,000 to $300,000. The quoted price ranges a lot, with $9,000 being the most commonly quoted value. Painite is known to be the hardest to locate of all the world's rarest minerals. It was first discovered in Burma in 1950 by the British gem dealer Arthur C.D. Payne. There have been recent discoveries in the Mogok area of the Myanmar, which might yield more of these beautiful stones in the future. Regardless of their price, they are in high demand. Number 10. Plutonium. Cost per gram is around $6,000. Last, but by no means least on our list of the most expensive materials on Earth is plutonium. You can mainly find it in the hearts of nuclear reactors, but can also be found powering satellites which need long-lasting energy supply. It is derived from nuclear decay of uranium, but can be found, though rarely naturally. They account for about 1/3 of nuclear fission energy. Alright guys, this does bring us to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it, hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel in case you miss any more future content. Anyways guys, with that being said, I'll see you in the next video.